Hey guys, it's Caleb from ROKBLOKZ. Today we have this 2024 Raptor Ranger. We've got a new midship flap that's going to mount to the factory rock rails, so let's go ahead, show you how to install it. Here we have the tools laid out that you'll need for install. You'll need a 10mm for removing and reinstalling the factory screws, and then the 10mm and the 4mm Allen to attach the flap to the bracket. Here we have half of the midship kit laid out. What you'll get in your kit is your flap for that side, and then your bracket for that side, and the hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Here we are at the factory step, and we're going to utilize the 2 bolts that are holding the step to the bracket. You can install the bracket on any of the arm brackets that support your step, anywhere. If you want it up closer to the front, more in the middle, or this one today, we're going to be installing on the very rear bracket closest to your rear suspension. In order to do so, you'll take your 10mm, loosen these 2 factory screws, and we're going to take our bracket, put that up and in. Mount our bracket like so. Now we're going to grab our 10mm socket and we're going to tighten that down. Now, with that in place, we're going to take Now with that in place, we're going to take our flap, we're going to take our screw with dress washer. And these are just 20mm flathead screws. We're going to put it through like so. We're going to put it through all 3 locations. Now that we've got it through all 3 locations, on the other side we're going to take our washer and our lock nuts and we're going to secure each of the screws. With those fully tightened down, that completes the install on your midship flap. You can repeat these same steps on the other side. Thanks for watching.